One of the daily tasks we must all tackle is the cooking, grocery shopping, and meal planning. If you are on a limited budget, this is of special importance. While I mostly blog and make videos about cleaning and organizing everything in your home, organizing your meals is also an area I think we can all aim to do better. Let's go through 9 steps I use to plan my weekly shopping and meals and save money and waste less. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. Need a printable shopping list? You can get one of mine for free over at dmiddleton.com or at the link below. Now let's cover the 9 steps I use to organizing your meals. The first step is to check your fridge and pantry first. Cleaning out the refrigerator before you shop will help you see what items you already have on hand. This way you don't purchase duplicates and waste money. Speaking of saving money, continue watching to the end of this video and I'll give you 20 tips to help you save money at the grocery store. Once you have checked what foods you already have, make a list of meal ideas you can prepare using those items. The goal is to try to use up everything you buy and waste less. As a whole, we are pretty wasteful of our foods in America. We can all help to be more responsible in this area. As you're looking over the food you already have on hand, I want you to think of some simple meal plans. With your meal and menu list, start a shopping list for the items you still need to buy to complete those meals. There is no need to try to make every meal complicated. For example, see if you can serve the same breakfast 2 to 3 times in a week. You can try alternating days for variety. Another big tip if you are a meat eater is to save money on meat. Before you head to the store, check the store website or app to see what meats are on sale. Meats tend to be the most expensive portion of the recipe, so we'll try to save money there by shopping for what is on sale that particular week. You may want to follow my tip number 7 to save on meat. Meat is generally the freshest and can be discounted if your store has an in-house butcher. The marked down meat is perfectly safe to consume or could be frozen for a later date. Get to know the stores in your area. I personally use Aldi for everything but meat. I like to use my local grocery store for discounted meat. Once you make a few grocery shopping trips, you'll learn which ones are the cheapest and offer the best value for your money. Don't forget your Dollar Tree stores. These stores are usually excellent places to find paper and cleaning products. I also use them for tinfoil, zipper storage bags, plastic wrap, trash bags, napkins, and so on. When I shop for groceries, I include all of these household items in my shopping list. As you shop, look for discounted items. Most grocery stores have certain times of the day when they mark down certain food items. My favorite local stores do this in the mornings, so I try to shop after dropping off the kids at school. When I get there early, I often buy discounted meat and fresh fruits and veggies as soon as they are marked down. They do sell out quickly. Bagged salads are often discounted also. You can call your local store to get that information, and then you can rack up on the savings by being there as soon as they mark the items down. You should talk to the butcher too to see when the meats are usually discounted. You should ask where they place the discounted meat. In my stores, they have a certain area in the store where they only place discounted meat. Also, as you are shopping, try to keep a little flexibility in your menu. For example, if you plan to purchase bananas for breakfast but strawberries are on sale, swap out that item on the menu and you'll save money. As you are planning your weekly menu, eat your freshest foods first during the first half of the week. Plan your menu to use your lettuce, tomatoes, or any other fresh produce early in the week while it's at its peak of freshness. This way you can cut down on food waste and also remember to freeze your leftovers. Freezing your leftovers is the best alternative to just storing them in the fridge. They last much longer in the freezer, so remember to mark them by date. Do you need to organize your weekly meal plan? You can get my free printable meal planner page at the link below. Another tip is to save and repeat your menus. Most of us serve many of the same type of meals monthly. You could save these ideas for your future meal planning. Also, check out Pinterest and YouTube for cheap recipes your family will love. Repeating family favorites will help simplify your meal planning. Need a recipe printable page? You can get this free recipe page printable over at dmiddleton.com or at the link below. As promised, here are 20 more tips to help you save money at the grocery store. The first important step is planning and preparation. Never shop without a list. Plan your meals for the week and create a shopping list based on what you need. Stick to your list and avoid impulse purchases. Next, set a budget. Determine how much you can spend on groceries and stick to this budget. Check for store flyers and coupons. Look for sales, discounts, and coupons in those flyers or online before heading to the store. When you can afford to, buy in bulk. Purchase items like grains, pasta, and canned goods in bulk, especially when they are on sale. Remember to think about food waste and ensure you have enough storage space that you'll use the items before they expire. Another tip is to shop for generic brands. Store brands are often just as good as name brands and can be significantly cheaper. Avoid buying prepackaged food. Pre-cooked vegetables, shredded cheese, or other prepackaged items tend to be more expensive. Also shop seasonally. Fruits and vegetables that are in season are often cheaper and fresher. When it makes sense, buy frozen fruits and vegetables. These can be more affordable and just as nutritious as the fresh ones, plus they have a longer shelf life. Next, use a basket. If you're only buying a few items, use a basket instead of a cart to avoid the temptation to buy more than you need. Shop the perimeter. The outer edges of the store typically have the fresh produce, dairy, meat, and bread, and the essentials. Be cautious with the inner aisles as they often contain more processed and expensive items. If you can, don't shop hungry. You're more likely to make an impulse purchase if you shop on an empty stomach. Also, shop alone. If possible, shop without kids or companions who might encourage additional purchases. Also, shop midweek. Stores often restock items and offer discounts midweek, so you might find fresher items and better deals. After shopping, be sure to store your food properly. Keep food fresh longer by storing it correctly. Use up those leftovers. Plan meals that can be incorporated with leftovers to minimize food waste. As often as you can manage, cook at home. Preparing meals at home is generally cheaper and healthier than eating out or buying ready-made meals. Also, sign up for store loyalty programs to earn points, receive discounts, and get notified of special deals. My next and final tip is to compare unit prices. Check the price per ounce or pound to get the best deal rather than just looking at the overall price. How do you save money and organize your grocery shopping? Feel free to share your best tips in the comments below. To get your life and home more organized and clean, check out dmiddleton.com. I have lots of free printables in the printables category in the drop-down menu at the top of any page. Thanks for watching.